You can add additional seats and invite additional students to your group at any time. Simply click the Buy Seats button under the Seats in Course heading. From there, simply add the desired number of seats you wish to purchase and the Add to Cart button. These additional seats are also eligible for the same bulk discounting as any other seats in the course. And payment can be done via PayPal or credit card. If you need to request a different method of payment, please contact us at training@qstrength.com.